How to see sent follow request on Instagram. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into application Instagram. Move into profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner of the screen. Now head over to account center. Once you're in this page, your informations and permissions right here. Now select download your information at the very top of the screen. And then once again click on download or transfer information. Choose some of your information. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll get to see the category of connections. Click on select all. Once done, tap on next at the bottom. Choose download to device. Now you'll need to select the date range. Choose according to your need and then tap on save. Once done, choose where you want to receive this file and then select format and also media quality. Once you are done, tap on create files at the bottom. Now within 24 hours, you'll receive one mail on your email address. The information that you have selected will appear in that file. You'll also be able to see all of the friend requests that you have sent to the person, and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.